nothing but a graph is formed by vertices and by edges connecting pairs of vertices, where the vertices can be any kind of object that is connected in pairs by edges. So here I'll show the simple example so that you can understand clear graph of direct acyclic graph. So here is an example. In this case, the graph has each edges and has an orientation from one vertex to another vertex. So this is a best example for the directed acyclic graph. So these all are the edges which are interlinked between each and every edge. So in probability theory, conditional dependencies is a relationship between two or more events that are dependent when a third event occurs. So first, if we consider A and A, B is in a two events, and here C is in a third event. So we can consider C is in a third event. After that, D is another event which is in a third event. So yeah, probability of A by B is nothing but P of A, whereas P of B by E is nothing but P of B. Yeah, coming to the Bayesian network with example, this here this is an example for direct acyclic graph, and this is different. This is an example for Bayesian network. So Bayesian network are ideal for taking an event that occurred and predicted the likelihood that any one of the several possible known cause was contributing factor. For example, a Bayesian network could represent the probabilistic relationship between disease and symptoms. Not only disease and symptoms, we can use it for any kind of any kind of things. So here we choose this example, like there are multiple diseases, so how it is interlinked with I mean, like how it is interlinked between everything. So coming to the Bayesian network, I mean, how we'll use Bayesian network. So here is an image which shows Bayesian network, or a type of probabilistic graphical model that can be used to build models from data and or expert opinions. So this diagram shows the capabilities in terms of four major analytics disciplines: descriptive analytics and diagnostic analytics, and predictive analytics, and perspective analytics. So here is a various description of all descriptive and diagnostic and predictive and prescriptive. So coming to the in Bayesian network, a probabilistic plays a major role because they are built-in form of probability distribution, and also use the laws of probability for prediction and anomaly detections. So these are the few types of these are the few types of probabilities, that is joint probability, conditional probability, and marginal probability. So I would like to explain brief about joint probability and rest all. Nikhila, will you explain, or else should I?
No, I'll continue that. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, thank you, Professor. So next rest of the slides will continue by Nikhila.
Hello, Professor.
Yes.
Could you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Yeah, the Bayesian network is based on the probability. So we can say that probabilistic it is a probabilistic network. So, three types of probabilities we are using in the Bayesian networks mainly. Those are joint probability, conditional probability, and marginal probability. I'll explain about the joint probability. Joint probability is depend on more than one variable occurring together, such as if two variables are there, like A and B, then it will be denoted by P of A B. For example, we can take raining and windy. If the raining is false, the chance of windy is 0.64. Like that, it's a joint with A and B. The probability is saying with two. If you are taking two variables, we are saying with two variables A as a joint probability. Here, the raining and windy. If the raining is false, the windy chance for windy false chance is 0.64, and a windy true chance is 0.16. Like that, for the raining, if the raining is there, the windy chance is 0.1, and the windy false chance is again 0.1. Like that, the joint probability will be coming to Bayesian network. Next is conditional probability. It's from the name itself we can understand it's a condition. Depends on, we are saying with condition of one variable. For example, the probability of windy being true, and if windy is true, the raining chance will be 50%. It is always in the Bayesian network, if the conditional probability is following, it is always with condition of one variable up to another variable, and it can be denoted by P of windy equal to true, then raining is true is 50% chance. Next is marginal probability. Always we are in the joint probability, we are saying with one and other variable. Sorry. And in the marginal probability, it is a subset of larger probability distribution. We are in joint probability, we are taking P of raining and windy, and from that, if we want to take only the P of raining, then it will be saying as marginal probability. First of all, we are taking P of raining and windy as a joint probability. From that, if we want to take P of only P of raining, then we are taking the sum of windy false or true if raining is false. Basically, it is taking the sum of joint probability result. That's a marginal probability. And next is tools for Bayesian network. We are mainly using four tools. These are the listed ones: Jenny and Java Base and Stan, Dilip. These are the programming languages using for the tools. This is all about the Bayesian network briefly from we understood from outside. Thank you, Professor.